Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you hide your followers list on Facebook, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end of this video to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Facebook app on our mobile device, we need to get something out of the way first. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, search for Facebook and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, as you can see here, for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now let's go ahead and open the Facebook app right here. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, and then you can tap right here in the top right corner on this profile picture to open the menu. And here in the menu, you need to go ahead and tap here in the top right corner to open settings, or you can go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings in the top right here. So anyways, we need to get to settings, and here we are in settings. We need to go ahead and scroll down until we find an option that says followers and public content right here. You can open it from there or tap right here in the top right corner to search for it and make it even easier to find. So just search for followers, and here is in the top. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. And this is the place you're looking for, guys. As you can see here, it says who can see your followers on timeline. You can select only me, and nobody will be able to check your followers except of course of you, because as it says, only me. You can even scroll down and take care of more privacy options right here. So anyways, if you want to hide your followers, and that's what you're here in this video for, you can tap on only me right here under who can see your followers on your timeline, and you should be good to go. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.